she did a lot of things this morning already. She did the laundry, she went swimming. Now we're headed to Disney Springs to go shopping. See you, bye. Yay, we are at Disney Springs.
Back to the pastry.
Wait, what? I just bought a book from Sugar Boo and my mom bought a rock. She's making me buy sunglasses for her again. Oi! Nice things are doing. Let's go. Let's take a nap here. We are at the premium outlets. Nike. 你睇咁多人。We just finished up at Nike. So now we're at sociology. Hi, good morning. Actually, it's 12 p.m. so it's afternoon and we're getting ready to check out soon. So right now we're just walking around. I'm not really sure about the plans for today, but I'll update you later and you'll find out as I find out. Bye. Okay, we're checking out our room. So I'm having lunch now. It's the same meal that I had the first time I was here. So the reason why, like everything has been not very unsure, like whether I can do certain things, is also because I don't know whether my car system will work. Surprise, surprise, for this meal it worked. My program ends on the 9th. On the 10th, I was very cautious about using it because I didn't want to get in trouble and stuff like that. But I've been using it. Today is the 12th. And I've been using it on the 10th and on the 11th with no issue. So later I'm going to go to class connection, which is the class member only slot, and I bring one guest. So I'll be bringing my mom over there. So drawing class? Are you excited? Yeah. We just learned how to do tiger. This is mine. This is my mom. Do you have fun?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're back at Disney Springs and right now the time is around 5 o'clock. So we're gonna walk around a bit. This one is great. It's blueberry black tea. This is also really good. And this is yummy. Rainforest Cafe. See the gorilla? Elephant down there. Then on the aquarium. Hi, the food is here. So good! Okay, I showed it just now, but I'm so excited. I'm gonna try the fish. Oh, what do you hear? Oh, I dropped you onto the ribs. Oh, and let me clean your face. My goodness, it's so good. Let's try the ribs. Oh my gosh, it looks so soft. Try the ribs.
By my side, stumbled in the night, believe me, alright. Oh, baby, if we lost our mind, took it way too far, we would be alright. We would be alright if you were by my side.
It's now 10:45 and we're on the way back on the Magical Express. Our Disney Magical Express is nearly midnight and we need to make it back by then. Alright, so we just arrived in Orlando International Airport. And we are like 6 hours early, so we are gonna take a nap and then go and check in maybe later at 4 a.m. And now it's 1 a.m. so the earliest we can check in is around 4 a.m. Yep, so bye.